guys, Gideon here with G.T.M Farm. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unusual video. I'll show you what I mean. So today, this is my wife's 2014 Toyota Sienna, and as you can see, one of the headlights is out. So we're just going to show you how to replace the headlights on this make and model. We're going to be putting in the Sylvania Extravision H11 headlight bulb, and these are actually really easy to change. You're just going to, I don't know if you can see it, right here is the bulb. You're just going to give that a quick pop and a twist. It pulls right out. Okay, so then there's this little tab right here on top of the casing. You're going to push that and pop your bulb right off. And then installing the new bulb is pretty much just going to be all those steps in reverse order. There, as you can see, we popped the connector back on, put the headlight in and twisted it and popped it back into place. Now we have a working headlight again. So it's just that easy. Just took a couple minutes. And now both of our headlights are all set. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Have a good day, bub. Yes, yeah.